All right, you guys, and in today's video, I guess it's product review time. What's up, you guys? And in today's video, we're gonna be taking a look at the Cigman self-leveling laser level. If you're looking for a great laser level for DIY projects or something you could use professionally on the job, this is the way to go. Trust me, stick around, and I hope you enjoyed this video. So if you're looking for a high quality and a reliable laser level for your DIY projects or professional tasks, you came to the right place. This company reached out to us via email and they were like, hey, we want you to review one of our products. I said, what is it? They said it's a laser level, and it piqued my interest. We've been in the market for a laser level, so I got the product. The Cigman Laser Level is a compact and durable device that features a 3x360 3D green cross line laser that provides high visibility and accurate leveling solution. The device measures at 4.7 inches by 3.5 inches by 2.6 inches. That's a mouthful. And weighs only 1.5 pounds. It's so light, making it easy to carry and move around. Now let's take a closer look at how it actually works. As you can see, the laser level self-levels within 3 to 4 seconds and projects a bright and clear green cross line that is easy to see even in bright daylight conditions. The device also has an accuracy of 1/9 of an inch at 33 feet, making it ideal for various indoor and outdoor leveling and alignment tasks, such as hanging pictures, installing cabinets, laying tile, and especially for what we use it for, doing accent walls. Now, the Cigman Laser Level has other useful features that sets it apart from other laser levels in the market. Some of these may include 3x360 laser line for full room coverage. The 3x360 laser line allows you to cover an entire room with ease and provides more comprehensive views of your leveling task. A magnetic pivot base for easy attachment to metal surfaces. The magnetic pivot base makes it easy to attach the laser level to metal surfaces, allowing you to work hands-free. A low battery indicator that alerts you when the battery needs to be replaced. The low battery indicator ensures that you will never run out of power in the middle of a task and helps you to keep the device in good working conditions. Now let's take a look at how easy it is to use the magnetic pivot base. As you can see, the magnetic pivot base makes it easy to attach the laser level to metal surfaces, allowing you to work hands-free and save time. This is also useful if you're working in high locations where you don't have a stand that can reach those higher levels. You can attach this to any metal surface and essentially work hands-free. All right, you guys, so let's talk about the pros and cons of this. We'll go ahead and start off with the cons because we all like to hear bad things first before we hear the good. One con I'll say is it doesn't come with a stand, something that you can expand it from, let's say 3 inches to 60 inches. You essentially have to go out and buy that for yourself. Fortunately, I have my stands that attach to our shop lights, so I can attach it directly to the bottom of my actual laser level. That would be the main con. Now that I think of it, I really don't have any other cons. So Cigman, if you're watching this video, make a package, like a deluxe package that incorporates some type of stand so we can use this at like 60 inches, 70 inches, 80 inches. The types of jobs that I'm using it for, I need those various heights. So if I didn't have my light stands, essentially I'd have to go out and buy one of those. But outside of that, let's talk about the pros. First pro, it is extremely bright. So if you're using it in the daytime in a massive room, you'll literally see every green light throughout the room. Second, the battery life. It lasts extremely long. I think I've only charged this thing one time and I've had it now for about 2.5, 3 months. So the battery, you have a ton of time. And when you do charge a battery, if you have an extension cable, you can actually use it while it's being charged. So you don't have to push it off to the side to charge it. You can use it while it's being charged. The third pro would be all the accessories it comes with. So it does come with this leveling base that you see right here. I love that. The magnetic pivot base. This is also a great added feature. I never used it until I was doing a board and batten in a living room that was about 20 feet tall. So I had to get those higher surfaces. And this came in handy. Also, the other cool feature, I love this remote. Now, I don't really use it as much, but the fact that, you know, I can control the vertical lines and horizontal lines as well as the brightnesses directly through this remote is a great added feature. I'm not sure if some of the other laser levels on the market come with something like this, but having this is excellent. And then lastly, this locking mechanism for the pendulum. So when it's turned on, right, or when it's unlocked, everything is kind of functioning and the green light turns on. But once you lock it, the pendulums are locked in place and it won't swing around and move around, especially when you're transporting. So, you know, when we finish up projects, we typically, you know, put it in a bag and then throw it in the back of the truck. Things might fall on the bag. So protecting these pendulums so that it self-levels and it's accurate every single time is key. So having that feature is excellent. And then the price. Now for the price of this guy right here, it comes out to $169.99 on Amazon, which is a phenomenal deal compared to some of the other laser levels in the market of this comparable spec. You can pay anywhere from $299 upwards to $699 for a laser level. So if you're looking for something like this, it will be down in the description. And that's it for this video on the Cigman laser level. We hope that you found value in this item right here and in this video. If you did, be sure to like and subscribe to the channel. I realize you guys are watching these videos and you're not liking and you're not subscribing to the channel. Kind of makes me sad, but outside of that, if you did find value in this, go ahead and leave a like and subscribe. Drop a comment of your thoughts of this. If you have any other questions about this, if you want to see it more in action, you want to see an updated review on this product, let me know. And yeah, peace. All right, at my face, face, not my chest. Wait, you gotta let me get, like, I gotta be here. All right, you guys, and in today's video, we're gonna, I guess it's product review time.